Hey guys, it's Eric Green from Tax Rep Network. Why automate your tax prep process? Well, first of all, you're going to save a ton of time. It's going to make everything effortless. My members that have done this with Gruntworks have cut 65% off their prep time. Okay, so you automate this. What it does is it grabs the information from the source documents, creates a file that then you can import into your tax software. So the whole process is seamless. We don't have any human errors inputting. It removes the input errors, the number one cause of bad audits. But also, it's going to make everything you do more valuable, and just it's going to make this effortless. All right. And Gruntworks, depending on your tax software, this is going to be a game changer for you. It works with CCH's Access, CCH Pro System FX, Drake, Intuit's Lacert, UltraTax, and now Intuit's Pro Series. Okay, so if you use one of those tax programs, Gruntworks automating this process is going to save you a ton of time, make you more money, and help you get your life back during tax season. Okay, no brainer. Go check out Gruntworks, implement this today so you are ready to go and make 2026 the easiest, most profitable tax season you've ever had.